Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable and disable the battery saver or low power mode on iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max. In order to do that, we need to open the settings, then go to battery settings, and over here you should be able to find the low power mode. You can tap on the switcher in order to turn on or off this feature. Of course, when you use low power mode, then you reduce the background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. In addition to that, instead of going to the settings, you can also open the control center, and over here you should be able to add another button with the low power mode. So you can press and hold your finger on an empty space in the control center, and then at the bottom choose add control, and then here we have low power mode. You can tap on it in order to add it over here. And now if we are done, we can just tap on this button in order to quickly enable and disable the battery saver or the low power mode. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!